What's up, Royals? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to fertilize your pepper plants. These are doing well. I've been fertilizing these once a week with a soluble fertilizer, fish emulsion. So I'm just going to show you how to go ahead and do that. We got some fruit coming off, we got some flowers, so we can go ahead and fertilize them for this week. So I'm going to take about a tablespoon of this fish emulsion, fish fertilizer, put it into my watering can. I'm going to fill the watering can up to 1 gallon, and we're going to go ahead and water these in really quickly. So we're going to do half in this grow bag. We'll do the other half in this one. All right, and that is it for how to fertilize your pepper plants at least once a week when they're starting to set fruit. I am so happy at how these peppers are growing. These are banana peppers, sweet banana peppers, and they are looking amazing. We got 2 nice sized ones on here. So I will be doing a harvesting video pretty soon. I'm gonna let these go maybe a few more days and we will harvest these together. We've got one over here, so I'll probably give this one a little more time to grow. But yeah, they are looking amazing. Grown from seed. So if you are interested in learning how to grow these peppers from seed, just check out my grow bag garden series. And yeah, hey Papu. All right, Royals, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.